Okay, I think I fixed my freaking camera because my camera was drawing for the last 2 times I tried to do an intro. Welcome back to the freaking channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. You already know what we're about to get into. We're about to head up to Easy's. We're in freaking New York, baby. We're in New York. And we got both babies with us, as you can see. Hold on. You see them. Look at them. They look so cute. But if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed. Let's get the energy rolling, guys. If you're new to the channel, just prepare for what you're about to see. Just prepare!
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
That shit dirty. Damn, son. Ooh. I'm not even a Subi fan, but good lord, this thing in person? Stupid.
We are here with Easy. We got the Subi out. We're about to go for a cruise, find some nice place to take some pictures. Here we got this guy in New York right now. Bike honestly is insane. I definitely messed up the wrap with towing up here. It is what it is. That sucks, but like, oh well. Wait, he's wiping his shit down. I'm gonna wipe my shit down. I'll be back. It's funny because I've been in New York so many times to go to the track. Never actually rode in New York. Not that it's a dream. It's just like I want to ride other places. I want to experience new things, but from the bike point of view, not just cars. And we're doing that today, guys. That's stupid. You got the bags on the Subi. Sorry, I don't know a lot of people with bags, so like it's just different for me. I've seen it a million times. What's their gas looking like? Oh, their gas cheaper. It's like 20 cents cheaper. Damn, I got $40 in cash up? I don't even know where from. So if you guys remember Easy from the track days. I've went to pretty much all his track days this year, I think so. But now we up here kicking it because we have the seminar tomorrow. Bro, is he raising up right now? That's dope. New York's just built different. On the way here, New York drivers really just cut you off. Like, they're extremely aggressive. Like, I mean a whole nother definition of aggressive driving. And I think they have to do that because of how the traffic moves. Everybody's cutting everybody off. Like, it's all free game.
Look what I found on the side of the street.
Is that a Ridge wallet?
Thank you to Ridge Wallets for sponsoring this video, guys. Here.
Bro, this can hold up to 12 cards and carry cash at the same time.
12 cards and cash?
And cash!
Oh! Sheesh, this thing looks amazing. I think they have over 30 designs on the website, I believe. If you want to check out some of these Ridge wallets, make sure you head over to the link in the description. Make sure that you use my coupon code TheKillerCam. Make sure you guys grab these for Christmas and the holiday season.
Those wheels are literally like not a pearlescent, a metallic pearlescent. I don't know. That's shining though. Shining, my boys, shining. Ooh. Things sound crazy. I was a fan of the Hawkeyes in high school, but this one, this is the bug eye, right? Yeah, this is the bug eye. This bug eye kind of appealing me. Easy did it right on that one. There's a lot of cool stuff in New York like that. Today's an adventure day and really just a sightseeing day. we're exploring a whole new land to me. Right now, I'm in a whole different world, which is crazy because I live on the East Coast. I've been to New York, been to Times Square, like. No, actually, I don't think I've ever been to Times Square. Now that I think about it. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm really just looking around. Like, in my helmet, my mouth's like kind of open, and I'm just like looking around and breathing. Someone's like, "This kid's an idiot," and I'm like, "Yeah, I am." The funniest part about all this is I really kind of like started to live in my own world. Not like literally, but like figuratively. Like, I live in my own world. Damn, dude, I don't know if I can explain this to you guys. I don't know if it's gonna make sense yet. I don't even know if it makes sense in my head yet. You guys know me. Anytime I can catch a little front wheel action, I'm gonna do so. It's by nature. It's cool to damn, them leaves was smacking my helmet. Damn, that's pretty. Damn, that's really pretty. me, it's been like 2 days. This GPR feels so good though. The difference is it's a little bit tighter to turn. If I do this, usually the wheel wants to cut in, if that makes sense. The wheel usually wants to cut in and like do that depending on which way I'm moving. Now it stays there. I didn't lose my agility, but like I kind of did. I gave up a little bit of agility for stability. Oh, that rhymes. Ability for agility. Wait, no, agility for ability. How does my brain operate? Like, how am I a working, functioning person? It's me, the crackhead. I am here. What the fudge, dude? These houses are stupid. I'm catching glimpses of them. You can't even like fully see them driving by. That was like a castle up on a hill. Oh wait, easy. I just peeped the license plate. That's dirty. You ain't have to do all that. 22 Moto War. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. Oh, that. You couldn't get a better license plate. Damn. Did I turn the lights off in my room? Let's say you got $1 million. You won 1.7. The government took like half of it because that's the government. A whole bunch of views came in from the FBI. Would you say yeah? No, but what would you do with $1 million? Like, let me know down below. Let me know. Yeah.
Right on the other side of this, bro.
How do we get on the other side?
I don't know.
No! So close! I really thought we were so close. This is what I do in my free time. Cruise around, listen to music, find spots to take pictures. That's literally it. What I like about this GPR, when I turn, it feels like it wants to stay straight and lean as if I was at the track, if that makes sense. So I can I feel like I'm almost on rails essentially, rather than before it was like if I turn, the front wheel will tuck in.
So we could try to like discover over there, or we could go to like main like inland area and like mob around. How you feeling?
Let's mob, bro. Y'all heard the man. He said, let's go do more lynch. My type of energy. That's for me. Come on, Easy. You know what I'm ready to do. Get up on your ass. I got like an inch off of the ground. If I had more speed, I would launch it off that thing until I come down and I snap my freaking dog bones. Swing arm's just like, oh crap. I just realized I'm wearing my white Vans. This is why I can't have nice things. And I'm like, oh, there's no way he saw me. Ew! Ew! I wish I knew how to do endos, but I don't think I'll ever be able to do endos because my wrist, I think for life, and whether it's damaged, Aston Martin right there, damn, I didn't even peep. He's scooting. I think my wrist is honestly like damaged for the rest of my life. Like it will never feel the same 100%. And like even right now, I do feel it. Let's say sore. That's the right word for it. If you ever catch me in a video going like that, it's because it's my wrist, not my hand. I'm in a completely different area. No one knows me. So this is like spot on because I can really be me and not give a flying fudge about anyone's opinion. Every time I see one of those cars, I think of Daria on Instagram because I know she has one. She taught me how to say, you guys want to learn something? I'm going to pass this information along to you. She taught me how to say hello in Russian. Ready for it? Привет.